I think the clutch cable will be replaced and accelerator cable too, because I'm switching to RD350 handlebar, right? And I'm gonna switch this breather pipe too. This time I will try TVS Victor breather pipe, and engine oil is gonna change, and my self is not working, and mechanic is saying that that is battery problem. So today I will check what will be the final thing will be happen. So finally my bike got serviced. So we'll start from the beginning. So I changed it to RT350 handlebar. When it comes to comfort, it is simply superb. I feel that I am riding a Thunderbird. Then I replaced a Coneset bearing. I replaced a self motor, and I replaced clutch plates and a bearing in it, and I replaced what we say swing arm bush with a metal one, which is of Royal Enfield standard one, which cost us 124 rupees, and a drum rubber and a brake shoe, oil filter and air filter, and a rubber over here. That's it. As usual, gaskets, LH and RH covers. That's it. And Barend weight.